Okay, so in part 4, we're going to learn how to create variables for each of our racing sprites. A variable called speed that's going to be able to control how fast these racing sprites actually move around the track. So to get started, we're going to make sure we have player 1 selected. I'm going to show you how to do it for player 1, and then you'll do it on your own for player 2. So now that player 1 is selected, we're going to go to the data menu and then click on make a variable. We're going to make sure this is actually selected for this sprite only. And then the variable name that we're going to have is speed. Once we've made sure that we've named it speed and it's for this sprite only, we can click OK. And then you're going to see up here in the top left corner that it says player 1 speed. So if you did check the box that said for this sprite only, the name of the sprite will show up first. The next thing that we need to do is go back to the data menu, and we are going to add the speed variable. We're going to use the speed variable to set the step size that the sprite will move when the arrow key is pressed to move it forward. So instead of moving 10 steps, we can basically control the speed by adjusting the step size. So we're going to say move speed steps. And right now speed is set to 0, so if I press the arrow key, nothing happens, he's not moving. If I double click on that once and then again, I'm going to get this slider bar, and now I can change the speed. So let's say that it's 17. I press the arrow key and he moves pretty fast. Let's make it 1, just to see the difference. Press the arrow key and he moves much slower. So see, we can control the speed using, instead of move 10 steps, move speed steps, and adjusting the slider bar. The next thing that you're going to do now is you're going to create a speed variable that's for this sprite only, but for player 2. So go ahead and create that variable, and I'll see you for part 5.